F-16 fighter jet gets new shield. The F-16 multirole fighter, now made by Lockheed Martin, gets a new defense system. The new shield will be a version of L3 Harris Technologies' existing Viper shield technology. L3 Harris Technologies, a Florida-based company, announced this weekend that it has received a contract from Lockheed to develop a new advanced electronic warfare system to protect international F-16 jets from emerging radar and electronic threats. The L3 Harris Viper Shield EW system allows the F-16 to continue to be one of the most effective fighters in the world. Our 30-year legacy on the F-16, coupled with the technology developed for the Viper Shield, provides our fighters and international partners with unprecedented self-protection that helps ensure mission success. The F-16 jets have been in service since 1979. More than 4,000 of them are active worldwide. It has become the aircraft of choice for many of the United States partners, in addition to the Air Force. Production of the F-16 jet is still being produced. The F-16 jet was first developed by General Dynamics, which sold its manufacturing business to Lockheed in the early 1990s, with the company later becoming Lockheed Martin. Israel is one of the U.S. allies that favors the F-16 jet, as well as the F-15 jet, as well as modifying it. Israel operates more F-16 jets than any other country in the world besides the United States. L3 Harris designed the Viper Shield to give the U.S. and partners thinking about the latest countermeasures against the ever-changing sophisticated threats. The base version is integrated into the fuselage, adding room for additional capabilities such as externally mounted fuel pods to increase mission range. Configure it structurally to allow us to take our autonomous hardware and connect it directly to the aircraft flight control system.